I'm going to make beef stroganoff today. You're going to need at least a pound of stew beef. I'm going to use two. A container of sour cream. Some California cooking sherry. And then your noodles. You're going to brown the meat. And then you're going to add chopped onions with about 2 cups of water. And then bring that to a simmer, and then you're going to add probably 2 cups of cooking sherry. I'll show you how to do that. I will be back after I get the meat started. Okay, we're back. I'm going to brown the meat. I cut some of these into smaller pieces so it'll be easier to eat. You don't have to use a knife when you're eating something that has noodles, but we're going to brown this up, and then I'll add the water and dried onions and wine to let it simmer, but I'll be back after I get through frying this up. A little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. All right. This is going to take a little while, so I'll bring y'all back when it starts getting done. All right, I brought y'all back to see how things are progressing. It's progressing slowly. I'm just browning the meat, and I got to wait for the water to boil off that come out of the meat. So we're coming along. We're coming along. We'll be back. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty gritty where it's boiling the water off. You're browning the meat and getting that caramelization from the meat on the bottom of the pan where you can deglaze it. You gotta get the meat good and brown. I turned it down to maybe a medium high, low medium high. And this is really smelling really good. all that goodness at the bottom of the pan. Kind of like how you want your meat to look. There's a little bit of brown. Alright, I'm going to add me about 2 cups of water. And get all that brown off the bottom. That's what's going to make your gravy brown. I should have browned the meat a little bit more. Splattering it everywhere. Alright, we're going to bring this back up to a boil. Okay. I will be back. Okay, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of wine, or the cooking sherry. I'll probably come back and add a little bit more. But I'm also going to add 3 or 4 beef bouillon cubes. These are the kind I got, but you can use any one. That some of the paste you can use too. I still got to add the dried onions. We'll probably add about a tablespoon of those. You got to watch the bouillon cubes because they'll adds a lot of salt to the dish. Well, I'll add one more. Okay. My dried onions. What did I do with my dried onions? Let me find my dry onions and I'll be back. Okay, found my dry onions. Hiding under my paper towels. Alright. Since I got 2 pounds of beef, I'm going to probably add that. It's about a tablespoon. Probably add about another 1/2 tablespoon to it. Alright. Now, I'm going to let this simmer for about an hour. Hour and a half, maybe. It'll be covered. And yes, it'll be almost ready to go. You'll make some water with some flour to make a thickening agent to thicken up this gravy. And then you'll add your tub of sour cream to it. And then it'll be ready to go. So y'all be back in a little bit, folks. Okay, we're back. I'm going to look at the meat. See if it's getting tender or not. Now it still needs to tenderize a little bit more. Some of it is. Some of it's good. That one isn't. That one isn't. This one I just did. That one is. That one isn't. That one isn't either. Alright, I'm gonna let it tenderize a little bit more. I put another, maybe a quarter of a cup of wine. The wine will help it tenderize in it, but yeah, still needs to simmer a little while. Okay, just letting y'all see the progress. I'll be back. Okay, we're going to add I put two and a half, 3 tablespoons of flour in a glass of water, mixed it up. Now we'll add some of it and thicken this up. Need to add a little bit more flour. I'm wanting a lot of gravy with this meal, so that's why I added a whole lot of water. Mix it up. Okay, as you can see, it thickened it up a little bit. I'm gonna have to take this phone call and I'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna finish this up. Get this out of my way. Okay. As you can see, the flour did its job by thickening it up. Add a little bit more flour because I have so much meat in here. 2 pounds of meat, usually I only do 1. And now I'm going to add the sour cream. I'm going to fold this in. We have a hurricane coming into my state today. Well, tomorrow. Okay. I should have bought 2 of these. 2 sour creams. I might have to come back and add another one. Just get all the sour cream mixed in. Maybe I won't, but I'm not a big fan of sour cream. But this is the only way I really enjoy sour cream, and a lot of it. With all the meat and the gravy that I have here, I might have needed to buy 2. Alright. I might not have to buy one, but I'm going to have to taste this and find out. It really needs some more. Not a whole lot, but it does need some more. But that's the kind of color you want. But, and folks, all you have to do is cook your noodles. Spoon on this, got extra wide, just big noodles. And you just put some on a plate and put the gravy that you want, how much gravy you want on it, and meat on it. Serve it with some green peas, and it's one good dinner or lunch or whatever you want it for, and you'll come back for snacks. It is very, very, very good. I hope everyone gives this a shot. You won't be disappointed. Not unless you're somebody that doesn't really like sour cream, or if you're on a diet. Don't make this if you're on a diet, because all the sour cream that's in it. But I will end this video, except for we'll come back and show you a plate of it. But I'm gonna go get me another small tub to put in it. But this stuff is good. Look at that piece of meat right there. Tender, really good flavor. Please give us a try, people. Please give it a try. All right, folks, I went back and got another tub of sour cream. Probably doesn't need all this, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in there anyway, instead of having just part of a tub. Okay. Just be really creamy. Got the heat back on. This is looking really, really good. I'm sorry, people, but this is good. This is really good. Y'all have to try this. You have to try it. Oh boy. That is good. All right, folks, I'm going to get me some egg noodles going. I'm going to plate me up some of this while this is coming back up to heat again. Incorporate all this sour cream and get it melted down, and I will be back. It might be gone though. I might eat it all. That's good. I'll be back. All right, I'm going to dish up a plate and let y'all look at it. Beef Stroganoff. Need a ladle. Okay. Got a big old ladle of this. that's heavy. Okay. Get me some green peas that I've added about a tablespoon of sugar to make them sweet peas. I'm garnish it with a little bit of paprika. And folks, that is beef stroganoff. Try it. Enjoy it. You will like it. That's good. Thank you.